Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, what we're going to be doing is showing you guys how to get free Twitch Turbo. This is going to be completely for free and allows you to watch any single Twitch channel completely for free without any ads at all. You don't have to subscribe. You basically get this one code. It's created by Twitch, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the free codes. These are a monthly code. They're one-time use only. You're not going to need a credit card or a trial or anything like that. And you can go ahead and just basically put on any stream, as you guys can see, and you're not gonna have any ads. You can go to literally watch all of them just like this. So you can go back, and yeah, it's literally all for free. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to get this here today. You are gonna need a mobile device in order for this to work. I'm gonna show you guys me doing this right now. So what you're gonna see is my phone recording come on the screen right now. All you guys wanna do is simply go ahead and follow what I'm doing. So come over here to this website. We're going to go to this website called www.bmcoupons.com. So BM and then coupons, COUPON.com. www.bmcoupons.com. And as you guys can see, it's going to be a list of coupons here. What you want to do is just find the Twitch Turbo one, or it's just come to the top, type in Twitch if you don't find it, and find Twitch Turbo. It's all like this, free turbo coupon. There's no ads, this is what I've done. Twitch Turbo is a monthly subscription that provides a site-wide ad-free experience. And of course you get one free sub with, I think the Twitch Prime, or that might be Prime, I'm not sure. But you definitely get other stuff for free. You get the special chat badge, 60-day VOD storage, and basically just no ads on Twitch, which the ads are just absolutely getting crazy right now. So it's your best way to go ahead and watch Twitch without ads, without having to find ad blockers, especially if you're on mobile, because I don't think they have them for mobile. But as you guys can see, it's going to say that this coupon is valid and all this stuff. There's about 140 of these left. They will be adding more, so don't worry. But as you guys can see, it says your coupon code is ready, and there is the code right there. However, the code is locked. So what we're going to do is unlock the code. I'm going to show you what to do. So press on Get Full Code. And it's going to take you to this little page called App Sponsor. And it's going to say, 2 of these need to be completed. These apps sponsor coupons, and we could not provide our amazing coupons without them. So what is happening? So what is happening here is these companies, such as TikTok, such as Travel Town Adventure, such as PureVPN, have gone ahead and bought these Twitch Turbo codes. Now these codes are only $10, so you know they're not per month. It's not a crazy amount of money. But these companies have bought them, and they want you to go ahead and use their app and interact with them. So companies such as TikTok, yes, this is the real TikTok. It says go ahead and get TikTok and then open it up. So what you do is you tap on it, you press unlock now. And this is then going to go ahead and open to the App Store or Google Play Store, depending if you're on iOS or Android. And then you go ahead and get the TikTok app through the link. It really is that easy, guys. It's so free and easy. Press open, okay. And then you press update, cool, you can do it. Then you just go ahead and get the TikTok app, and then you open up TikTok, you start watching TikToks, and it's literally that easy. So, it doesn't take too long at all. That's all you gotta do. You watch TikToks, and that's gonna count as one of them. Remember, these codes are paid for by these companies, so they want you to go ahead and use their app. There's another one here, PureVPN. It says go ahead and get the PureVPN through this link, and then it wants you to go ahead and connect to it. So, same thing, you just open it, goes through these kind of things, tracking software, whatever. Just press on open, that's all you gotta do, and then press on the get button, you get the PureVPN app, and that's gonna count as the next one. So it's literally so easy, guys, and makes this process a whole lot easier, and this is why we love it. There's also ones where it's this Travel Town app. You only need to do 2 out of the 3 for this to work. Travel Town app, you can do this one, and this one will want you to get you level 9 in the game. So this one will take a bit longer time. However, it's still super easy. Just press play in the top little left button there. And then I'm just going to show all 3 just so in case one of you have already got TikTok. Because I think it's for new users only. I just did the Travel Town one before. And it wanted you to only get to level 9. I got to level 12, as you guys can see in the top left-hand corner. Super easy. It's just one of these games where you like drag these things together and match them, you get coins and level up. Super easy. So once you guys have completed basically all 3 of those, there's the PureVPN one, same thing, agree and connect. Sorry, I'm just kind of showing everything right here. You just want to come back to this page, and now that you've completed 2, your now Twitch Turbo code will be revealed. copy that, go into the Twitch app, go into the Twitch website, go on the Twitch app on your TV, on your phone, on your PC, type this in for the checkout, and this will give you free 100% Twitch Turbo. These are only one-time use code, so unfortunately you can't use this one, but it is that easy. Thank you guys so much. Let me know in the comment section if you guys do need any help. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.